If you are participating in this project, you need to listen to me keenly, because I saw something very striking that gripped my attention, and I said my community cannot be left out. This project, many of you just think that it is just a Telegram project because it is on Telegram. This is not just a Telegram project, it is an exchange project, and that is why I'm going to share this with you, because I know a lot of people will not be qualified for this airdrop. I want you to listen to me very, very carefully. If you are participating in this project, a lot of people are participating in this project and they will not be qualified for the airdrop. And I'm going to show you how you are not going to be qualified if care is not taken. So you need to take this video to heart and then make sure that you follow every single thing I'm about to show you, so that you can keep your account safe and be on the safe side, and then be qualified for the airdrop. Now, this is their official website, and if you go to their website and check through it, you are going to see a lot of information. And then if you just check right here, you see for 10 years this project has been a leader in innovator and champion of regulation in the cryptocurrency space, for being the first company to enable crypto purchases with credit and debit cards. So I'm talking to newbies now so that they should understand what this project is all about. Now if you just head back, this is their official X account, and you can see that they have over 1.9 million followers on X. This is not just a small number of followers to back on X. And then if you come here, you're going to see that they have an app on Google Play Store, and it has over 5,000 downloads. So it is not just a normal tap to earn that you thought that it was on Telegram. So you can take your time, go through to their website, and then you are going to read everything. You are going to understand more about this project, so that you will know the magnitude at which this project is, and then you know that you're not supposed to joke with. Now what you need to do is this: go to the comment section of this video or in the description section, and then you are going to see a link there. What is the link for? It is to apply for your airdrop qualification. Now just head over. I've also the link, I've dropped it in my Telegram channel. So if you're not part of my Telegram channel, please make sure that you are part of us, so that you can be benefiting some of these things. I always tell you, we are sharing tokens that you can buy for the bull run, and then we are updating ourselves on things like this one. Like for example, now this airdrop, now a lot of people will not be aware, and then they are going to lose it. Now just go over to the link. You are going to see it in the comment section or in the description section. Click on it. So once you click on it, it is going to bring you to this page. So you have to click on get started. It brought me here because I've already registered an account and I've already logged in. So if you click on get started instead, it will give you a space where you are supposed to register to insert your email. So once you insert your email, you are going to also create a password probably. So once you have done that, it is going to bring you to this page. Now once you get over to this page, come over to the airdrop section right here. You see that the airdrop section, look at the way my interface is. Yours might not be like this, yours might be different, and the reason it is different is because you have not successfully applied for the airdrop. Now let me quickly show you the preconditions for the airdrop, the pre-qualifications. I've made a video about it in the past, and I'm going to leave the link to that video in the comment section and also in the description section. So make sure that you watch that video. You are also going to see it appear on the top corner of this page right here, because I'm going to tag it right there. And then now these are the conditions for you to be qualified for the airdrop. So the first one is that you have to verify your email. So I've already shown you how to verify your email. Once you click on the link in the description or in the comment section, it is going to open up, and then you are going to see where to insert your email. So once you insert your email, you need to connect your Telegram. So you are going to see where to connect the Telegram ID. Now if you don't know this process, if you don't know how to do it, make sure that you go to the comment section or the description section and watch that video that I put there. I've put a video there that is going to show you all the processes. I've made that video in the past, about I think 4 months ago or 3 months ago. So now you connect your wallet. I've also done that. So regarding to this one that they say enter your CEXY code, guys, this is a very, very huge issue. This is where the main issue is. It took me 3 months to be able to get the code. So if you're not part of my Telegram community, please make sure that you go to the comment section also and join that our Telegram link, because those codes are coming out every week. The codes are, this is not something that it is not a specific code that you are going to use. The codes are coming out every week. So for that, and once it comes out, you are going to also see, I've also made a video about it, how you are going to do it. Is also on that link, so make sure that you go and watch it. So I will be providing that code every week in my Telegram channel. So if you are part of my Telegram channel, just be active. Try to be active as much as possible, because what they do is that they give that code and it doesn't last more than 30 minutes in a day. Once they give you, it doesn't last more than that, and that is why it took me 3 months to be able to get it, because most times before I see the code, it has already expired. And that is why I said a lot of people are not going to be qualified. This is why, if you look at me, I'm already qualified. I've already applied. I've fulfilled all the airdrop fulfillment. You look at it now. So, and they said that it is just about 53.82% of the people that have qualified, that they have passed all the qualifications. And then look at it. It's funny enough, look at the number here. So this airdrop will only be given out to 1 million people out of the 10 million people that are showing here. Look at what I'm saying. That is why they have made the code to be limited, to have a limited time. So meaning, if you cannot be able to meet up, if you are not able to apply, you have is just forget about it. So that there is a trick to streamline the number of people to the 1 million people. So I'm lucky that I've already done it. And please, I don't want my community to be left out. Make sure that you are part of my community, and then be active on our Telegram channel so that you won't miss out on it. So you see, these are the number of people that have successfully completed the application, and this is, once it reaches this 1 million, they are going to probably close. So that's that. So, and I just thought of sharing this piece of information with you. If you are missing out, it's very, very important that you know, because if you don't know and you make the mistake, guys, you end up regretting your effort to be put to waste. So that will be all for now. And please, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always benefit from all our updates. So thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.